Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the Portfoliobox Admin Panel. We'll begin by guiding you through creating a page, adding sections, and understanding different elements. Then, we'll navigate through the various tabs of the admin panel. As you set up your site, you'll select a font type, background color, and overall style, all of which you can modify later. You'll see a collection of helpful short videos, always available from the Learn icon at the bottom of your admin panel. Let's dive into the Create tab. Here, whenever you wish to add content to your site, a page, a product, a blog post, or an event, this is where you start. There's a plethora of content and page types available. For our first page, we'll choose a photography project. We'll select the dynamic grid template. We'll name our page Gallery, then click on Create Page, and we're all set. We'll keep the sample images for now. Each template contains elements like titles, text blocks, or images. You can edit each element by clicking the pen icon or right-clicking the element. From there, you can change its content, edit its style, delete the element, add new elements, or reorder elements on the page. To unlock these two options, you can upgrade to Pro or Plus. Let's delete the description. You also have the option to add sections to your page. For example, we can add a cover section, which can be customized to fit our preferences. Under Edit section, you can style the section, reorder the sections on the page, duplicate it, or delete it. Don't worry. We'll delve deeper into this later. This is just a glimpse into the versatility of Portfoliobox. To edit your existing content, go to the Edit tab. Here you'll find your pages, products, services, locked content, and blog posts. The Styles tab to the right lets you set global styles for desktop and mobile, including predefined font and color schemes. Under the Libraries and Tools tab, you can manage your images, messages, orders, appointments, bookings, and various business tools. The Settings tab is where you can adjust your website settings, account and subscription settings, and language of the admin panel. Notice the two buttons in the top right corner for publishing and upgrading your site. To preview your site on mobile and desktop, click the small icons at the bottom left corner of the admin panel. Today you've been introduced to the basics of the admin panel. In the next video of this tutorial series, we'll start building a portfolio together. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and leave a like.